In today's video, I'll teach you how to add someone on Zangi app. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Zangi application. You can see over here, I've already opened it. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now at bottom, you'll be able to find various icons over here. Click on the contact icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the contacts interface. You'll be able to see all your contacts over here. If you want to add someone, for that what you have to do is click on this add icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to add the contact. What you have to do is enter the first name, last name and Zangi number if you want. You can also add the photo if you want. For that, you can simply click on the photo icon. After that, you'll be able to add the photo. Now what you have to do is enter the first name and last name. First of all, enter the first name. Now what you have to do is enter the last name. After you do that, enter the Zangi number over here. Make sure to enter the correct number. If you want to add more Zangi number, you can click on this option, add Zangi number, and you'll be able to add it. Now after you enter all the informations, click on the right icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now after you do that, if the number is valid, this particular contact will be added. So like this, you'll be able to add someone. So that is how you add someone on Zangi app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.